What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. It's been a lot, I know. This is a pair of Nike Air VaporMax Pluses. It's not just any normal pair, it's a pretty special pair and I'll show you why. I got them for $180, I think I got them 30% off. So that's like 126 Canadian. That's like under 100 US dollars. Here they are. I'll tell you what's so special about them right here. There's a Nike logo underneath the cage. And there's a lot of this nice interesting patterning all over the place. This Nike logo underneath the cage makes them very special because you don't find very many Air VaporMax Plus like this. And if you're interested in them, I highly recommend you buy them on StockX because there's not that many available. This is a great pair of shoes, great colorway here. Gonna throw them on foot. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. They have these interesting little logos inside. As you can see, VaporMax Air. Great shoe. Let's see how it looks on foot. Now that I have them on foot, I think this is probably the best pair of VaporMax Pluses I've ever worn. They definitely feel a lot better than other ones. I know that's weird because I'm pretty sure they're all the same. But there's something about this Nike logo that's hidden underneath the cage here that makes me feel like these are the best I've ever worn. And they look especially good with this denim here. So if I were you, I would check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description to buy nudies like this. They stack really well and look great on sneakers. I mean, you have to admit this is a great pair of sneakers here. It's very unusual to find this Nike logo on a pair of VaporMax Plus like this. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the link to buy these shoes on StockX or the denim on Amazon. You might find something you like. And these shoes themselves, they're probably one of the most special VaporMax Plus that Nike's ever made. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.